Welcome. This is the video presentation by Group 12 for Deliverable 4. In this deliverable, we have added 5 major features. Like in homepage, as we can see, if we scroll down a little, we can see the news section and the video section added to the homepage. Yep. As we can see, the featured videos and featured news. It's just random news for the sports, and video section is related to soccer. The next major thing which we added or slash modified, we can say, is the schedule page in our website. As you can see from the previous deliverable, we have added the referee part and the field part where the match is going to take place. And we have added a result page also, as we can see, which was not there in the last deliverable, which says who won, the match has been like announced or not, who won. Cincinnati won, Scranton won, unannounced results, as we can see. And the we can say we have added a menu hamburger option also, through which we can search the teams by games or by teams. We can search in the website by teams. It has all the other options also, like talk about the tournament, FAQs, find a hotel, and stuff. And we have added a search function to the menu bar also, which does the same thing, which we can add search in the website by the division, by the teams, and by boys division, girls division, and by the teams. And another main thing which we included in our this deliverable was the completion of the login module. In the login module, as according to the professor, only tournament director can add or like edit schedule. So if we go to the schedule right now, we can see there is no option for editing the schedule or anything. It just plain schedule, which is visible for the normal person who's visiting the website. Now, if we log in as a tournament director, we go to login and log in as tournament director. We can see the welcome page for the tournament director. The manage has its own functionalities what a tournament director can do, like manage all the directors, matches, and stuff. And now, if we go to the schedule page, we can see there is an option for editing the schedule. Similarly, if we go to the results page, there is an option for declaring the result or slash winner for that particular game. So as we can see, Cincinnati won. If we click on the Houston, or if we change the button, result will change. It will show the Houston won. So that's what a tournament director can do. And yeah, just like that, we can see the Miami won. So like that, and this thing is only limited to the tournament director role. If we log in, if we log out and log in from a coach perspective, he cannot do that. Let's log out and log in through the coach. The coach has its different page. We go to schedule or result. We can see he cannot change the stuff. He cannot change who won, who cannot declare who won. Similarly, if we go to schedule, we cannot see the edit tournament option. So, and moreover, if we try to go to a particular page, let's say the coach is logged in right now, for instance, if he wants to go to a referee page, it will show an error. Not an error, but it will not let the coach go to that page. So, and here's a picture of a cute puppy, just to make your day a little bit brighter. So we have to log in via referee to access this particular page. But that's about sums up the main functions of deliverable which we delivered in this deliverable. We go to referee testers.com, login, we can see the referee profile, it's working. And now we are not getting a cute puppy random picture. So that's about it. Thank you.